Amadoda, they will leave you there by the desert, kesana, without water. Nanko kaloku utata uMosamseleku usebenzisa iline esoloko isetyenziswa against uMakhumalo kwi-social media platforms uba yena ungumuntu othanda ukubuka yonke into akayenzi from within uyenzela so that ezopraiswa kesana. Molweni guys, namkelekile nonke kwezi Chisabay Entertainment. Guys, I'm sure ababebebukelile baye babona into ba yi-50th birthday katata uMosamseleku and idrama ibiphayana. I never thought bencinga it's going to be the most relaxed episode, but yo idrama from Umpumelelo down to Amakhosikazi, like the amount of drama I never thought kesana. Anyways, again, uMakhumalo noMangwabe disappointed utata uMosamseleku kakhulu izolo, but decided into okokubana they are not going to honor the invite of coming early as amakhosikazi. Yes, they honored the invite, but bafike inoba sekuthethe abantu abayi-4 as iwife ungafika kwi-birthday ye-husband yakho sekuthethe abantu abangaka. Yes, uMangwabe uye waba nayo i-excuse engavakali uba no ebeqokolela abantu bakokwabo, but still sani awukwazi ukuba just give them mhlawumbi like i-location. It literally does not make any sense. Anyways, nango ke uMakhumalo umuntu odingidwa kakhulu nguMakhumalo. I think it's because abantu they did not expect this type of behavior from uMakhumalo. uMakhumalo ke uye wafika late zamkhalela utata uMosamseleku wavele wamthi pick up wathi ukuthanda ukubukwa ke lokhu, but lento ayenza la kwi-birthday yami yinto ajwayele ukuyenza, but bengamelanga ukuthi uyayenza namhlanje ngoba usuku lami olukhulu. It's not about her. She always thinks ukuthi izinto are about her. Everyone was like, hayibo, hi tata uMosamseleku. The very same thing that uMakhumalo is constantly being called out for by your wives and viewers. Now you are using it against her because izinto akazenzanga ngendlela ethandwa nguwe. I understand? Akazenzanga izinto ngendlela ethandwa nguwe. Batsho ke nabantu ku social media ba uyavela ke manyanyani ke ngoku uMakhumalo into ba bambiza ngani umuntu othanda ukubukwa, that word, bathi nje bathi unontanda ukubukwa. I think that's the word. Ungunontanda ukubukwa nakuphela uhleli yedwa bonke abanye abantu bahlele ematafuleni, of which uMakhumalo shame uye wachaza sange. Guys, are we even watching the same show? uMakhumalo uye wachaza uba kuthiwe manihlale apha. It's not like uvele wafika wazihlalela yedwa so that everyone, all eyes are going to be on her. No, uye wakhethelwa esiyasitulo or the couch behleli kuyo. Understand? So yeah guys, abantu abaninzi bathi you know what, serves utata uMosamseleku right, because kaloku utata uMosamseleku nguye owamnika i-advice into ba stop serving people who do not serve you, and uMakhumalo took that advice. Unfortunately wayicinga ba mhlawumbi le advice uMakhumalo is only going to use it against the wives. Now uyisebenzisa even kuye utata uMosamseleku. All of a sudden he is shocked uba hayibo uMakhumalo, what's happening? But abantu kudala ekseva uMakhumalo. You would even find that yes ngumangwabe umntu o plane ibirthday and everything, but you would find that she's the one who paid for it. So indoni engaka oyifunayo kuMakhumalo? She probably paid for the entire birthday party from her own pocket. So what more do you want from uMakhumalo? Just let her be. Furthermore, it's not like wena uyamseva uMakhumalo ungulo ambiza ngefurniture, ambiza ngabagama ku-diary sessions zakho. You don't respect her. You only respect her when it suits you and when ekwenzela izinto. Now that the curtain has fallen off, yingxaki njani ke ngokutata uMosamseleku? So yeah guys, ndiyacela, what are your thoughts on the episode and behavior kaMakhumalo in particular? uMangwabe we all expected that from her. What are your thoughts? Must engage and on the next one. Bye.